Scotto, a powerful scrubber for your everyday cleaning needs. Cleaners surfaces in less time, without leaning in and touching the grime. Est. Meet Scotto, the new handheld power scrubber that effortlessly cleans even the most stuck-up grime on any surfaces in your home. Hyperleachy's engineering and technology has been razor-focused on developing the most powerful compact scrubber that delivers impeccable cleaning results. The lightweight ergonomic design lets you catch a comfortable hold, while the 3 rotating power scrubbers make scrubbing fast and fun. Step 1. Using Scotto couldn't be easier. Simply snap on the attachment. Step 2. Press the on button on the bottom, and attack that nasty grime. Step 3. And attack that nasty grime. Achieve hyper-clean surfaces with zero effort. Visitors and industry experts at CES 2020 got their hands on Scotto and gave in their thoughts. It was the validation that Scotto and the team needed to move towards market launch. Hyperleachy's Scotto has been turning heads with its innovative approach. Silicon Valley-based accelerator Motwani Jadeja Foundation selected Hyperleachy as one of the top 5 most innovative technology startups to exhibit at CES 2020. We were covered by various media publications and outlets for our work and participation. Disgusting? Gross, are just some of the thoughts coming to mind scrubbing stuck-up grime. Scrubbing stuck-up dirt and grime off surfaces ranks the most hated chores for most people. But cleanliness and hygiene are super important for the health and well-being of our loved ones. You know the problem too well, sore arms and shoulders from scrubbing for hours to get the house clean. Damaged skin from being in touch with cleaning products on a regular basis. And still not getting the cleaning results you would like to see. So far we were quite stuck, got it with the ancient method of scrubbing by hand, which can literally drive you insane. Scrub clean in less time. Scrubbing clean unnecessarily eats up a lot of time. Scotto's patented PDT, motor technology and gear design make cleaning up the toughest of grime faster than ever. Achieve a new level of hygiene in less time, and move on to doing the fun things in life. Without leaning in. Scrubbing clean can be exhausting. Stoves, for example, and the tiles surrounding them, take up a lot of your physical energy until they are thoroughly cleaned. With Scotto the task is done before you know it. And without touching the grime. Cleaning products dry out and damage your skin over time. Not to mention the ugh factor of touching the grime. Keep the dirt and chemicals away from your hands. Scotto comes with 3 different attachments to cover a wide range of surfaces and levels of ingrained dirt and help you adjust to the most diverse requirements. The triple head. Our PDD system, planetary distribution technology, distributes the motor's power evenly to the 3 scrubbers while allowing them to rotate in opposite directions. And that powerful opposite rotation is exactly what helps you scrub stubborn grime so much faster with zero effort. The bottle brush. Say goodbye to the grime at the bottom of your bottles, baby bottles, protein shakes, coffee travel mugs, SodaStream. One of our beta testers loves it because he can clean the base of the SodaStream bottle that never gets clean enough in the dishwasher, and about any container that you can think of. The bottle brush attachment is the extra power you need to give a thorough cleaning right to the bottom rim and scrub off that greasy grime buildup. The bottle brush has a total length of 20 centimeters and can reach the base of bottles, glasses, and containers of all types up to 35 centimeters. Scratch-free, triple head. A set of scratch-free pads ensures thorough and safe cleaning of your delicate appliances. The copper scrubber. The copper scrubber attachment is here to effortlessly remove burnt food from your barbecue and oven grill plates. When you need that extra level of toughness, this is the attachment. Why copper? Because it is incredibly tough and durable while being gentle to all surfaces and 100% recyclable. We have been using this pan on a gas stove for the past years, without once cleaning the backside of it. So enough time for layers of oily hardcore grime to build up. Perfect. Challenge accepted. let's see Skada's copper scrubber attachment take on this scrubbing nightmare. This is our secret breakfast recipe: eggs, marshmallows, barbecue sauce and tomatoes. Yum, we burnt it nice and long on our brand new stainless steel pan just to take up the challenge of cleaning it up without soaking the pan. Let's see Skada clean this burnt grime up in under 60 seconds. Since we couldn't find the perfectly up-to-the-task motor, we engineered our own. The Hyper-Leachy motor technology can drive immense power, 8 kg/cm, just what you need to take the effort out of scrubbing tough jobs. Skada uses Hyper-Leachy's advanced planetary distribution technology, PDT, which delivers the power of 3 scrubbers in one device. By enabling the scrubber discs to rotate in opposite directions, a multiplier effect is created to remove even the toughest grime with great speed. It channels 5x the scrubbing efficiency compared to its competitors. We have engineered this special motor for Skada to have enhanced performance driving and unload torque of 8 kg/cm. This motor combined with our PDT system, and even the nastiest grime, vanishes fast, without you having to lean in and apply pressure. This April, we sent prototypes to beta testers to get real feedback and work out initial kinks. The results were amazing. We heard how it was super easy to clean up garden pots. We heard about how Skada scrubbed clean a dirty bike. We heard about how it made cleaning therapeutic instead of a dreaded chore. More than anything, we heard time and again how simple Skada was to use. We can't wait to spread the cleanliness and hygiene and see Skada in many more households across the world. The Twist Go system makes it incredibly easy to change attachments. Our unique attachment system acts as a platform for us to keep designing new attachments as our customers' needs evolve. The triple head scrubbing pads can be easily interchanged as they are attached using industrial grade Velcro.